Have you ever woken up at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, wondering if this is all there is? You're doing everything right. You're working the job, paying the bills, and checking the boxes. But inside, you feel like a ghost in your own life. You're running a race on a treadmill, exhausted, drained, but staying in the exact same spot. Today, I want to show you why you're so tired, and it's not for the reason you think. This is Sam. Sam isn't a hero in a movie. Sam is you. He spends 8 hours a day building someone else's dream, and he spends 4 hours a night wondering why he doesn't have the energy to build his own. Every morning he tells himself, "Today is the day I start." But then the emails come, the chores pile up, the noise of the world gets louder. By 9 p.m., his brain is fried. So he scrolls. He sees people traveling, succeeding, smiling, and every swipe makes him feel a little bit more less than. He thinks he needs more hustle. He thinks he's just lazy. One afternoon, Sam visits an old friend, a mentor who always seemed to have a piece Sam couldn't find. Sam vented. He talked about his lack of time, his lack of luck. The mentor didn't offer a pep talk. Instead, he handed Sam a glass of water. "Hold this," he said. Sam held it, confused. A minute passed. "Is it heavy?" the mentor asked. "No," Sam replied. An hour passed. Sam's arms started to ache. His muscles began to tremble. "Is it heavy now?" the mentor asked. "It's killing me," Sam grunted. The mentor smiled. "The weight hasn't changed, Sam, but the longer you hold it, the heavier it feels. Your problems aren't the issue, Sam. It's that you refuse to put the glass down. You are carrying yesterday's failures and tomorrow's anxieties into this moment. You aren't stuck. You're just carrying too much weight to move." The secret to your breakthrough isn't a 10-step program. It's the power of the pivot. You don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to change your next 10 minutes. Put the glass down. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. You aren't tired because you're doing too much. You're tired because you're doing too little of what makes you feel alive. Today, put the glass down. If this felt like it was written for you, it's because it was. Don't just watch this. Change because of it. If this story gave you the strength to put your glass down today, hit subscribe to join our journey and like this video to help others find it too. Now, tell me in the comments, what is one weight you're letting go of today? Share this with someone who needs to hear it. You might just be the reason they finally find their peace.